Hello everyone. So today we are going to do one more problems on rectilinear motion. In this problem, a motorist is traveling on a straight road at a speed of 10 meter per second. When he observes that traffic signal 600 meter ahead of him turns red, the traffic light is timed to stay red for 15 seconds. If the motorist wishes to pass the light without stopping just as it turns green again, then you have to find out what's a uniform acceleration of the motorist, and second one is the speed of the car is it passes the traffic light. Correct. So now if you like already you have read the question, no? So in this question already they have given a motorist is traveling on a straight road. That means it will be better if I write a figure. There is a straight road over here. This is a straight road and here you have a signal. Okay, so this is a signal and here you have a motorcycle. Okay, it might be a car or something. We'll just show a motorcycle here. Okay, so this motorcycle is traveling with a speed of what? 10 meter per second, and it is 600 meters away from the signal. So this is a signal and this motorcycle is actually traveling in a straight road at a speed of 10 meter per second. Now, when he reaches this point, that is about 600 meters from the signal, when he reaches this point, he notices that within 15 seconds it is going to stay red. Correct. So, they have given the traffic light is timed to stay red for 15 seconds. If motorist wishes to pass the light without stopping just as it turns green again, that means he is having he has to travel 600 meters within 15 seconds. That means when he reaches this point it should turn green. Okay, so now for this you are supposed to calculate the uniform acceleration, then the speed of the motorcycle as it passes the red light. So, first thing is what? You are supposed to calculate the acceleration. Then, you are supposed to calculate the final velocity here. Okay. Now, we'll do one thing. See, anyhow, u value is what? Initial velocity they have given. That is 10 meter per second. Then, he has to travel a distance of 600 meters. Then and that too within a time of what? It should be within a time of 15 seconds. Okay. So for these conditions you have to calculate the value of what? Uniform acceleration. Then with the acceleration value you are supposed to calculate the value of what? Value of speed. That means final velocity of the car. Okay, so now what and all value have you just see that you just first you read the question, you can understand you have the value of what? You have S value, that means you have distance, you have initial velocity, then you have time. So from that if you want to use all these conditions, which equations you can use? You have many equations, right? So in that particular equation you can use S equation, that is distance equation you have, no? That is S is equal to ut plus half at square. So from that you calculate the value of uniform acceleration. Okay. So S is equal to what? Ut plus half at square. Okay. Now substitute the value here. This is 600 meters. U is 10. Time is 15. Then half into A value you are supposed to calculate. T is 50 square. So if you simplify, you will be getting A is 4 meter per second square. Okay, so this is what to calculate the uniform acceleration. Okay, so this is a uniform acceleration. Similarly, to calculate the speed, that is speed of the motorcycle, as it passes the red light. Okay, so to calculate this one, you can use u is equal to what? V is equal to u plus at equation. Okay, so u is 10, a is 4 and t value is 50. Okay, so it would be equal to what? 75 meter per second. So this will be the final velocity, that means the speed of the motorcycle as it passes the red light.